add to this point, like the menopause
Yes,
symptoms
of
that we
course.
have,
Yes.
what are the treatments that we actually need to be aware of?
You need to be aware that your sleep patterns are going to change, your bone density is going to change, there's going to be muscle loss, your energy levels are going to be very low,
All
there's
time
going
low.
to be hair fall, so your body is not going to perform like how it used to before. So you need to give it that nurturing environment so that you are able to go through that phase smoothly, because life is not just going to stop when you're going through that
Right,
menopause. You
right.
need to do all the other things, as she said before, women, we are
Yeah.
driving
Yeah,
everywhere.
yeah.
So we need to try to push it forward in that direction.
Are there
is
any
what I would
specific
say.
treatments that we need to look into when it comes to this, or
See, it depends on individual needs, because
Right.
the treatments over here, the ones that we have, they really help with reducing inflammation. Right now, inflammaging is what everybody
Yes,
is talking
that's a
about. The
huge thing.
cortisol levels are so high. So once there is inflammation in your gut, your moods get affected.
Everything,
There is
yeah,
the
yeah.
gut-brain axis, there is the gut-skin axis. All of this is there, right? So you need to balance it all out. Your body is a beautiful machine, and if a single screw goes out of place, you need to make sure you put that back in so
Yeah.
that it performs seamlessly. That is the bottom line.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
One last question. What message would you like to share with all of us, with people here feel wellness is out of reach or a luxury? A lot of people feel that.
Wellness is a luxury.
No, that's exactly what I said. I said, I think in today's day
That's
and
a
age,
myth that-
don't look at wellness because
It's
we all
not
think
a
it's a luxury, it's so cosmetic. No, that's not it. It's just a little it's actually just loving yourself. Literally, that's
It's a
what
necessity more
it's
than-
I genuinely think it's a necessity in today's day and age, because there's a certain amount of longevity that comes with it, a certain amount of mental peace, just body and mind just being aligned. So pay a little more attention to wellness. And world over, it's not just
Yes.
over here. World over, wellness has really taken over. It's probably the most fastest growing commerce out there. So I think why we shouldn't be left behind. We need to tap so much. Yeah.
Warm, yeah.
Literally.
Yeah, literally warm.
Uh, well, I guess that's exactly what we were discussing, and I'm really happy to be over here because I think that's something which is very part of my existence, part of the wellness journey that I kind of I swear by. So I think whatever right now that is being offered here at the Bio Revive, it's everything that I actually um, you know, periodically, regularly, I use all of these treatments. I swear by these treatments. That's what I was just telling Ashwin as well. That I think it's a mix of both. It has to be internal, external. If you have to maintain a certain wellness journey, or if you feel that wellness, you want to make it a part of your daily routine, then you need to. It is a combination of internal and external. So what you eat, how you sleep, your treatments that you do, and I think these kind of treatments really really help you in terms of a certain amount of longevity, great for skin, great for your collagen, great for so there are a whole lot of benefits. Sleep is something which is so good when you do these treatments. It's amazing. People underestimate what the kind of benefits that some of these treatments have, and I would genuinely urge people to kind of make it part of their wellness routine. So however, whether it's once in 10 days or once a week or whatever, you have to find what works best in your schedule. But the good thing about these places and treatment is that you come, you put your phone away, enjoy some me time, which is so very essential in today's day and age. We really do take all of that for granted. So make use of it, and I think it's a fantastic
Thank
thing
you
what
so
you're saying.
very much. Means a lot.
That was really insightful. Ma'am, my question,
yes,
next question to you. Could you share how these services reflect your approach to holistic well-being?
Yeah, as Malaka just said, right, it's a part of a lifestyle. So that is how it has become in the recent days for a lot of people. And I want to bring about more awareness to all the other people to, urge to take these kind of treatments, to understand that, your beauty, your health, everything is interconnected. It's not just what you apply on the outside, it is how you lead your life, how you relax. A lot of us have, these unknown headaches, neck pain, back pain, a lot of issues, sleep disturbances, mental health recently has been, in a dip. So all this, it's all interconnected. So you need to understand that, and cell biology is very important in your body. You need to revive your cells to perform their best. So that's why Bio Revive. So we're going back to the fundamentals, and we are reviving your cells to perform, their best, because the basics that you need are oxygen, your food, and sunlight. Think about it. These days, your food, it's adulterated. Oxygen is,
Equally
polluted.
bad.
Yes. So, and all
Sunlight
these,
is barely there.
yeah, exactly. So these treatments will help push your body to perform to the best. So that is what it's all about.
That's really eye-opening for all of us. This is for both of you, if you can answer one at a time. Why do you both think it's important to make cutting-edge wellness therapies more accessible to women today?
Carry this forward, please. Yes,
Well, I think I feel we drive a lot of things around us, women as a gender, as a community. I think, and I'm very proud to say, a lot of my endeavors are highly women centric. And whether it was my very first endeavor, which was the label Life, it was a completely female led, female driven e com business. To then event later on, which I went on to doing Diva Yoga again, which was for women. So I think that's something that I feel is very essential for me. It's maybe my way of saying, of giving back to all the women around. I've grown up in a family which is so women centric, highly matriarchal from. So I think this is just my way of giving back. But coming back to what you're saying, I think women are they are the force. They drive everything around us, whether it's at your work, whether it's at home, whether it is in your community. We are a huge driving force. Look at even around you right now. So I think women are able to balance a lot better, whether it is work life, home life. That balance which we are probably naturally gifted to take care of and balance. So I think it's great to have an environment like this. I mean, I'm guessing this is for
Yes,
men
it's
and
for
women,
men and
yeah, and
women,
women,
yes,
right?
of
So,
course.
but it's great to have spaces like this where women can come, spend some time, take care of themselves, which I think women neglect all the time. I think you forget yourself because you're so worried about every other aspect in your life that you feel that you need to excel at, that you somewhere forget yourself. So it's important to let women know that it's okay. You don't have to feel guilty, you don't have to feel bad, you don't have to feel, oh my god, beauty treatments is so external, it's so cosmetic. I feel it's important for women to take care of themselves, to feel good about themselves, because the day you feel good about yourself is only then that you can actually be better, or care, or be fantastic at what you're doing. So I think it's very important to have communities and to have places where women can feel themselves, feel safe, feel good, feel revived.
Yes,
So I
revived.
think that's the most important.
You summed it up. Would you like to add?
No, she said
She's
everything
just-
right.
Did I?
Yes,
Oh,
you
okay.
did.
Dr. Aishwarya, your clinic has been quietly pioneering for 5 years now.
Yeah.
What
Wow.
made now the right time for an official launch?
No, recently I've been like shifting towards wellness. Okay, so it's not just about, as I said, right? A lot of lifestyle changes have brought things
True.
here. The environment, everything is changing constantly. We are struggling with our day-to-day, tasks. It's very fast-paced, right? So we just neglect our health, and it is showing in a lot of our lifestyle, in our lives. So we need to bring that back on track. It's out of my personal experience also, which pushed me towards wellness, longevity, and all of that. So I want to tell people to take that step before something happens in their life. They need to take charge of their body. They need to take care of their health, and all the other things will automatically fall in place.
Also,
Yes.
I think post things like COVID and things like that,
Exactly, yeah.
all our bodies have taken such a beating. I mean, with so much that has gone into it, I think, just in general. So I think it's important to kind of reset and to feel, probably. And I think it's always nice to also go back to some of our old you know, what we have in our culture, which is so amazing, which is Ayurveda and stuff like that. It's
so
important to go back to that because yoga, Ayurveda, it's a land of truly the most magical thing. So we need to put it back into our lifestyle, and I think places like BioRevive only help you enhance all of that. It just literally gives you some sort of a indication as to how to go about things, because people don't have too much knowledge. You know, they're still struggling to figure out what should we do. Should is this is every time you feel you're doing something, you think it's too much. So I think places like this really help you, give you a certain guideline and follow it. And let me tell you, I mean, with women's a basic thing like being perimenopausal or menopausal is also something that you don't really realize how much it does to your
This is
to your
something which is really
to your
being-
body. Let me tell you, and
Yes.
doing treatments at places like BioRevive, it really, really helps that entire process, which you're anyways dealing with. It really puts you at a lot of ease. Internally, whatever you're going through, it is a huge hormonal change. Trust me when I say it. Doing treatments like this, I think somewhere it has reversed a lot of our lives. I talk for myself, literally. I feel it really has helped me, kind of put things back into perspective. So.